Greetings from Asthanadi, and we will be looking at a very important aspect of meeting and greeting and exchange of cards, exchange of business cards. Sam is working. He's working as a sales executive, and he has a business card. He has to visit customers, clients, and exchange his business card. Now he wants to know what is the right way and what is the etiquette, the right etiquette for exchange of cards. See, the business card is a very important part of your corporate interaction, and you should be careful when you're using it. You should be extremely careful, and you should also know where to use it, when to use it, and how to use it. So what does it have? The business card usually has your name, your designation, the company, the address, contact numbers, emails, etc. So when I give the card, I should ensure that the printed side is facing upside, that is visible to the customer. It should be on the top. So you give it to him, the other person will give you his card. Once you receive his card, look at him, look at the card, and try to make a connection. That is, acknowledge that you are receiving the card. And cards are not meant to be given to everyone. You should be very selective. You should give it to the right person. And the card should also be sort of presentable. No, it should not be crumpled or soiled or overwritten. I see some people, the way it is given, it gives a pale look, or, a lot of sort of scribbling is there, and then some things are cut, some things are inserted. The corners are also like, sort of crumpled. Now that gives a very bad impression, both on the company as well as on the person. It's always better to carry some extra cards. So giving cards, receiving cards is an important part of corporate, what I should say is interaction. Whenever you meet a person, you are expected to exchange the cards, and you have to keep it safely, securely, and show interest. While giving also, you should remember the card represents your company, and also when you receive, follow the etiquettes and be successful. Thank you. We at Asthanadi conduct number of seminars. Our website is www.asthanadi.com. Thank you.